Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're diving deep into a true road warrior, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 motorhome. If you're looking for luxury, power, and the ultimate travel experience, this beast might just be your dream home on wheels. Kenworth has taken their legendary T2000 platform and transformed it into an ultra-luxurious motorhome. Built for those who love the open road but refuse to compromise on comfort, this machine combines the rugged durability of a semi-truck with the premium features of a high-end RV. First up, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 model features a redesigned aerodynamic front end, reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency. Those LED headlights? Not just for show, they provide crystal-clear visibility for those long nighttime drives. And check out those side storage compartments. Tons of space for all your gear. Step inside the cockpit, and you're greeted with a setup that feels straight out of a spaceship. A fully digital instrument cluster, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, assist. Kenworth made sure this isn't just a truck conversion. It's a full-fledged luxury motorhome. The driver's seat? Air-cushioned and heated for maximum comfort on those long hauls. Now let's move to the real reason you'd want this motorhome: the living space. The 2025 T2000 motorhome is designed for travelers who want a 5-star hotel experience on the road. Plush leather seating, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, and panoramic windows give you stunning views no matter where you park. And here's where it gets even better. The fully equipped kitchen features a convection oven, induction, cooktop, full-size fridge, and even a built-in espresso machine. Whether you're making a quick snack or a gourmet meal, you've got everything you need. The bathroom? It's more like a spa. A full-sized shower with rainfall settings, a porcelain toilet, and high-end finishes. And when it's time to rest, the bedroom offers a king-size bed, memory foam mattress, and smart home controls for lighting, climate, and even window shades, all at the touch of a button. So, what about power? Under the hood, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 motorhome is equipped with a beastly 15-liter diesel engine, delivering massive torque for towing and climbing steep terrains. And with an advanced air suspension system, the ride is unbelievably smooth. Off-grid capability? No problem. This rig comes with a solar panel array, lithium-ion battery storage, and a high-efficiency generator, meaning you can stay off the grid longer without sacrificing power. So, is the 2025 Kenworth T2000 motorhome worth it? If you're looking for a powerful, luxurious, and feature-packed home on wheels, this might just be the ultimate setup. But with all these premium features, expect a premium price tag. What do you think? Would you take this beast on a cross-country road trip? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more in-depth automotive reviews. See you in the next one.